Hey folks, Mike Stone back again with another video. This time to answer a question I've been asked many times over the years. People that have a rear seat kit like this one, they no longer have the golf bag holder because they have the installed rear seat kit. People always ask me, what do I do if I still want to play golf with this setup? Well, not a big deal. We have the solution for you. It's a golf bag attachment. It's easy on, easy off. And I'll just demonstrate it real quick here for you. Alright, see how quick that was, right? Painless. Go ahead and grab our golf clubs. There you go, folks. It's that easy. You saw how easy that went on? Now your clubs are nice and secure. You can still use it as a golf cart. And then when you get back to the garage, and you want to turn it back into a 4-passenger, it's this easy. And that's that, the golf bag attachment. If you have questions about this or any other products, all you got to do is call 833-CartsMD, and thanks for your time.